there, YouTube. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove an exterior mirror from a Chevy Cobalt. So whether you got sideswipe, damaged, maybe a mirror cracked, and you need to replace that, I'm going to show you how you remove that today and then make it so that you can put a new one back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip to the inside of the car so we can start to show you how to do that. All right, we've now switched to the other side, the interior side. And as you noticed, the door panel on this is already off. I actually took the door panel off in another video of mine. If you guys would like to know how to remove the door panel so you can get access to this cable as well as these bolts right here, there is another video that I did, and I'll link that in the end of the video. So for this situation, like I said, with the door panel already off, we have 3 nuts that we actually have to take off. 1, 2, these ones would normally be under a cover, and then you have this one right here, and that one actually is outside of everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a 10mm socket, and we are going to take that off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, that's loose. That's loose. All right, let me see if I can get these loose in my hand now. 1 off, 2, and 3. So all 3 of those are now off. I'm gonna set those off to the side. I'm gonna swing around here, and then, so now this should just work itself off. And there are a couple clamps that you do have to be a little worried about. They're what actually hold it in, just so it doesn't fall out if you do ever take those screws out. So I'm just kind of just working it a little bit. Awesome. And then now I'm going to disconnect this cable that's holding it in, and that's for the motor for the mirror to move. And slide that through. So as you can see, 3 nuts and bolts are what holding that in, as well as the cable. It also does have these little clips here, here, and then it has a metal clip here, which you can see there. So I'm going to set this over here, and here's what it looks like on this side now. All right, guys, well, that mirror is now off and ready to be replaced by a third party or an OEM one if I would like. So I hope that helped you guys out with removing that mirror. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Leave any comments if you want to see any other additional videos that we have not posted yet. And thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.